Hello, in this video, I will show you how to deposit money on Polymarket. In order to do this, simply navigate to polymarket.com and log in using your user credentials. After you do this, you'll be on this page. Here, click on the deposit icon at the top right, just to the left of the notification bell that is near your profile icon. Click deposit and it will show up this pop-up that will have the options to deposit money. So you can deposit using crypto, deposit with a card, connect exchange and deposit with PayPal. If I choose transfer crypto, it will show up this deposit address where you'll have to simply open your crypto app and deposit your crypto to this address. This is the first way. Another way is depositing with card. Click deposit with card and simply enter the amount you want to deposit. After you do this, simply click the provider that is auto-picked for you. Now, it will show up different providers that you can choose from like MoonPay, Paybiz, Banksa, Alchemy Pay and much more. So you can select any provider you want and click continue. After you do this, that a specific provider's webpage will load up where you'll have to simply complete the payment by adding your credentials, completing any verification steps needed, and you would have your money in Polymarket. Now, another way is connecting exchange. Click connect exchange and you'll be able to connect exchanges like Coinbase through which you can easily add money from Coinbase to Polymarket. Another way is simply clicking deposit with PayPal and this will instantly load your gateway to Web3, that is MoonPay, and through that you can easily pay with PayPal. Just sign in with MoonPay by adding your email address, or you can also sign in using Apple. Then complete any verifications needed for the next steps and you would have easily deposited your money to Polymarket. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.